How to lock and unlock your Chase card. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser and go to chase.com. Now, just enter your username and password, click on the sign in button to log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll see your bank account information, like your checking account or your savings account. And right under your account details, you're going to have to tap on the drop down for more. Under credit cards or other cards, you can just click on this more drop down. And then from there, you can find your account services. So from your bank account, just go ahead and select the account services and click on it again. You'll find the lock and unlock card again. So tap on that option from here, and then you will see this pop-up appear on your screen. So you'll see a card connected to your account, which might be your credit or debit card. And then if you want to lock it, make sure the toggle is turned on. And if you want to unlock the card, just go ahead and click on the toggle. And now your card will be unlocked. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.